Okay, so these are the Roland binaural microphones earphones, the CS-10EM. Here they are. See, we've got the windshield attached. Let's remove that a second. So what these are recording binaural audio. They fit inside your ears. Because they completely block your ear canal, they're a microphone and earphone built into one. So you've got a microphone there that will record the audio and relay it back into your ears so you can still hear the outside world. It requires a dedicated sound recorder, and it has two jacks, so one for the headphones, a jack for the microphone. So we're going to try these out with a driving POV point of view video, so we can record binaural audio in our driving videos. Let's check them out. That's annoying. These headphones are way too boomy. Borderline unusable for driving POV videos. I'm going to have to source some alternatives. Do not feel comfortable wearing them at all. It's a nice wind. Yeah, they sound like if someone had revving a V8 engine in the room next door. That low pitch, bassy hum you get when someone's playing loud techno music. It just sounds like that constant drone, just constantly. So I can't really hear my car properly, can't hear the outside world very well. Watch out, doggy. In order to drive well, you rely on audible feedback from what your car's doing, and I can't get it through these headphones. Just this constant booming bass coming through all the time. Oh, thought a day. And off. Right, so as you heard from the video, these aren't great binaural microphones for driving POV videos. The core problem is because they block your ear canal and have to relay the audio back into your ears via the microphones. Okay, in theory, fine for recording binaural audio, say in your home or walking through a forest, but for driving, the headphones themselves are quite bassy, so all I'm hearing is just low pitch rumble from the Mustang's V8 engine constantly. I can't hear the outside world very well. I can't even hear what my engine's doing very well. You do rely a lot on audio cues whilst driving to drive safely. And I feel because I can't hear the outside world very well, I find they're just not suitable for driving POV videos. So that's basically the core problem. They're just too bassy. So I have heard of other binaural microphones available, ones that sit within your ear canal but don't actually block it. So they're just a microphone, they're not microphone and headphones. Made by a company called Sound Professionals. Looks like they don't distribute in the UK, so I'll have to import them from the US. But I've seen some other YouTube channels that do binaural POV videos in cars, and they seem to prefer those, so I might give those a shot. So thank you for watching.